Do you have multiple forms where customers has to fill repetitive information and are frustrated of doing so? Do you wish to simplify the user journey? Get Quixy now. Your documents data can be extracted by AI-powered document parser and filled in instantly. Save your energy and time. When you upload documents, the necessary information will be extracted and makes your life easy. Let's take a close look at how it works. Step 1. From the admin menu, select Create an app. Step 2. Select Form Builder, go to the Advanced field and find Document Parser. Step 3. Drag and drop the field and select the document type you want to extract details from. Step 4. Rename the field as the document name and select the fields you want details of and save your preferences. Step 5. Publish your app. Step 6. Let your user upload their documents. Step 7. The details are extracted from AI-powered document parser and save a lot of time. With Quixy, any business can be easy. Amazing, isn't it?